Hi, I'm Crypto Chelsea, and in this quick video, I'm going to be showing you FIO NFT signatures, and I'm going to demo this on the AIRNFTS platform. So here I am on AIRNFTS. I'm going to give you a little bit of history. I already minted an NFT. During that process, I had to do something called signing a FIO NFT signature. So it did redirect me to the FIO dashboard to do those steps. But what I want to show you here is that I'm looking at my NFT. I can see the owner, that I'm in fact the creator. I can see the history of that NFT. And under info, I can see that it was signed by Crypto Chelsea at AIRNFTS. So like I said, this process and the steps are in a more detailed video, but just for this one, I wanted to show you that it is visible here from within the marketplace, that it's signed by me, the creator. So let's go into some of the problems with NFTs and some of the solutions that FIO NFT signatures offer. So as you probably know, NFTs has drastically taken off the last few years, but there has been some significant problems. So some being NFT forgeries, stolen images, and files that are copied and minted to replicate the original owners of that NFT. So that is a huge issue and problem, and I know it's an issue that a lot of NFT marketplaces are having to deal with and combat every single day. Now, some of the solutions that FIO NFT signatures offer is that it solves a lot of these problems. It proves who the creator is, it helps stop scammers, and it helps protect the buyers from buying a forged or scam collection. That's it for today's video on FIO NFT signatures. If you're interested in checking out more about FIO NFT signatures or FIO crypto handles, check out our other YouTube videos. Thank you for watching.